So I'm going to show you an example of a whole house shutoff valve. This is where the water comes in from the meter. It goes through this valve and then is distributed to the rest of the home. When you shut this valve off, the whole house goes off. What you're looking at is a whole house shutoff. All the water from the meter comes through this valve before it's distributed to the rest of the home. This particular valve is going to take multi-turns to get it all the way off. Once it's shut off, you should have no water to anything in the house, hot or cold. You can find those in a number of different locations. You might find it in a laundry room behind an access panel, but typically you're going to find it in like a closet in the bathroom or the pantry in the kitchen. The valve will be located sticking out of the sheetrock about 18 to 24 inches off the floor. You might even find them under a cabineted lavatory.